Hi. This is a newer one. Very food aggressive.
It's like some sort of fruit.
This is a mule, I think.
These are the gelding.
And pet it or anything, so it's fun watching them chase each other around now. Before anybody else, when you feed, starts talking to you. Oh, Bruno.
Oh, you're. I thought that was Sarah.
My buddy.
His mom that owns him is the one that helped us get the stitches out.
I bet. We should go and shoot.
Tell you how. Yeah, it's nice out here. They have natural springs. We used to.
Oh boy! Hi. Hi.